If you're a beginner and you want to learn English, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Majid, and today I'm teaching you guys and dear Amy how to talk like a native American speaker. So without further ado, let's go. So hi.
Hi.
Okay. Instead of saying hi or hello, you can say hey there. Say it.
Hey there.
Not hey there. It's like hey there. Like not there, there. Hey there.
Hey there.
Yeah. How are you?
Tip top.
Okay. Instead of saying how are you, you can say how's life? Repeat.
How's life?
Yeah, how's life?
How's life?
How's everything?
How's everything?
Not everything, it's everything. Like
Everything.
say it with this th.
Th.
Yes. How's everything?
How's everything?
Yeah. Not how. No. How's like how is. How's everything?
Everything.
Yeah, like something like this, but you can say it like better, I think. How's everything? Say it.
How's everything?
Not ten, thin.
Thin.
Thin?
Thin.
Yeah, better. How is life? How is everything? So, you want to answer. You can say, it's great. Say, repeat.
It's great.
Yeah, it's great.
It's great.
Yeah, it's like this. It's great.
It's great.
Yes, it is. Or maybe it's not great. You can say, I've been better.
I've been better.
Yeah, it means I have been better before, and today I'm not that good, but not bad, not good.
That's bad.
Yeah, I've been better. I'll say
Not bad.
Yeah, you can
Not
say, or you can say not bad, not good. I've been better. Yeah. Or maybe you want to say, it was so good. I'm like great. You can say, I'm on top of the world. Say it. I'm on top of the world.
I'm
On
on
top of the world.
top of the world.
Top of the world, but you can say top of the world.
Top of the world.
Top of the.
Top of
Top of the
top of the
world.
world.
I'm on top of the world.
Top of the world.
Yeah. So it means I'm great. Nothing can stop me. Nothing can make me feel bad. I'm great. I'm on top of the world.
I'm top of the world.
Yeah, it's just like that. What's new? You see your friend after a long time and you want to talk with your friend. You say, hey, what's new? Say it.
Hey.
Hey, what's new?
What's new?
Yeah, it's not new because a bunch of people say new. New.
New.
Yeah, again, exactly. What's new?
What's new?
Yes, thank you. So we can say, again, not bad. I've been better. I'm on top of the world. Or you can say, it's awesome actually. It's
awesome actually.
Yeah, it's awesome actually. I have to say, hey, it's awesome. Like, life is awesome. So, what about you? What's new? Yes, tell me. I'm great. What about you? Do you feel good? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so you can say, I'm on top of the world.
I'm top of the world.
Okay. Was it your birthday yesterday?
Yes.
So happy birthday!
Thank you.
Okay, write me in the comments. Happy birthday, dear Amy. Yeah, okay. Happy birthday again. So, it was your birthday. You should be happy, right?
Happy.
Yeah, you're so happy, I think. But I'm happy. Whenever it's my birthday, I feel so good. I mean, I want everything. And I want everyone to say, congrats, happy birthday. Okay. So when you want to say happy birthday to someone, you can say, congratulations. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Yes, congratulations. Or you can say, congrats.
Congrats.
Yeah, congrats.
Congrats.
With T, congrats. Congrats. Yeah, congrats. It's shortened form of congratulations. Like, you can say congrats. So congrats, happy birthday. Like, I wish you all the best in the world and history. When you want to ask your friend about their day, you can say, so, how was your day? It's how was your day? But you don't say, how was your day, Tom? They don't talk like this in America. No. How was your day? How was your day?
How was your day?
Day.
Day.
Yeah. How was your day?
How was your day?
It's better, but it can be better. How was
your
your day?
day?
How was your day?
How was your day?
It's not how was your day. How was your day?
How was your day?
Better. So you ask your friend next time, what is your best friend's name? What is your best friend's name? Your best friend? Do you have a best friend?
Yes.
Okay. Next time you see your best friend, you're gonna say, how was your day? Yeah, and she can talk. Can she speak English?
Yes.
Yeah, so you can practice with her. I mean, practicing with your friend is a very good thing because when you talk to your friend, you don't have stress. You're relaxed. So try to talk to your friend in English. I mean, not all day, but sometime try to do that and talk to your friend. I mean, I don't know her name, but talk to her in English sometimes. Yeah, okay? Thank you. So, if I have to say about my day, I can say, it was great. It was so good. I had so much fun. When you want to say about happy stuff, you should talk like this. Oh, it was so good. Like this voice. You should use this voice. Oh, it was so... Oh, if you say it like this, it was so good. No, they don't talk like this. Oh, it was so good, like this. You should express your feelings. And yes, okay. Again, you saw your friend after a long time. You can ask, how have you been? How have you been?
How have you been?
Yes. How have you been? Again, it means, how are you? But if you say, how are you? How are you? How are you? It's like bad. You can't say, how are you all the time. You can say, how have you been? Yeah, like this. So we have so many ways to answer this, like, how have you been? You can say, if you want to talk like a native, you can say, bad brother, I've been bad. Say it. Bad brother, I've been bad. Say it. Repeat after me.
Bad brother.
Yeah, bad brother, I've been bad. Yeah. Because they don't say like, I'm fine, thank you. No, seriously, no, stop doing that. Yeah, they may say that, but just not with this tone. I'm fine, no. They say like, hey, I'm fine, thank you. Like this, so casual. Because when you want to talk like a native, you have to loosen up. You have to, be relaxed and just put your hands in your like pocket and say, I'm good. What about you? I'm fine. How about you? Just like this. Because when you talk like this, like, I am good. What about you? No. Because you're a beginner and you want to start learning English from today, you should just use the correct form. Because if you learn like book English and then you want to like again use and learn real English, it's harder. Just right now, at the beginning, from the beginning, you can learn real English. So, that's why I'm trying to teach you like the best American accent that you possibly can speak. So, yeah. So, when I'm asking you, how do you feel? Just answer casually, relax, okay? So, how have you been? And answer me, say, I've been great. Say, I've been great. How have you been?
Say
No. Like, I've been great.
I've been
Great, yes. I've been great.
I've been great.
Yeah, but this sentence, you don't say, I've been great. No, just like when you talk to your friend, like, I've been great.
I've been great.
Now say it with your happy face. I've been great.
I've been great.
This is your happy face? That wasn't happy face. Say it with your happy face. I've been great.
I've been great.
Yeah. Now say it with sad face. Like, I've been bad. Say, I've been bad. Sad face.
I've been bad.
Yeah. They talk like this. Not like, I've been bad. And you're smiling.
I've been bad.
No. Yeah, like, everything went bad and I'm bad. You just talk like this. Not, yeah, okay. So, when you talk, when you speak, just, I have to see that in your face. If it's happy, you should be happy. If it's sad, you should be sad. If it's angry, you should be angry and furious. I should see it in your eyes, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. I'm teaching you a way to say thank you that is so effective. Instead of just saying thank you, okay, just say thanks a million.
Thanks.
A million.
A million.
Yeah. It means for a million times, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. A million thank you. Thanks a million.
Thanks to million.
No, not two.
Uh-huh.
Thanks a million. Yeah.
Thanks a million.
And again, it's not thanks. It's not te. It's the.
Thanks.
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 You're saying thanks. Thanks.
Thanks.
Now, put your tongue between your teeth. Huh. Thanks.
Thanks.
Not thanks. You're saying t with this. Thanks. No.
Thanks.
Thank.
Thanks.
Say thanks.
Thanks.
No, it's not t. When you're saying t, it's like t. No. Just breathe. Thanks.
Thanks.
Don't. Your tongue should be here and don't move it. Thanks.
Thanks.
That's better.
Thanks.
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 Not thanks. The S should be like S. Okay?
Thanks.
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 You should practice. That was better. That was good. The last one. Practice it for the next session. And I'm asking you, okay? Practice in front of the mirror and try to say th.
Th.
Yeah, this is good. Thanks.
Thanks.
Seriously.
Thanks. Thanks.
Yeah, thanks.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. You talk like Russian English. Thanks.
Thanks.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Better. So, thanks a million. Say it. Thanks.
Thanks a million.
Yeah. So, from now on, instead of just saying thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, it's not wrong. It's good. It's great. People use it. But it's very special to say, hey, thanks a million. Yeah.
Thanks a million.
Yeah, thanks a million. Okay, so from now on, when you want to just appreciate, you can say thanks a million.
A million.
Yeah, okay, just like, hey, thanks a million. Or you can say, I appreciate it. I appreciate.
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 I appreciate.
I appreciate.
Yeah. I appreciate.
Appreciate.
I appreciate.
Appreciate.
No, not just appreciate. I appreciate.
Appreciate.
It's not appreciate. It's I. Say I.
I.
App.
Re.
She.
She.
Ate.
App.
Appreciate.
Appreciate.
Yeah.
Appreciate.
Yes, that's good. I appreciate. Good. Or for thank you, you can say, hey, I owe you one. I owe you one.
One.
Yeah, it means you lend me money. I borrowed money from you. Now I owe you money. For example, you lent me like $2,000. Now I owe you $2,000, right? So now I owe you one. For saying thank you, you can use this, okay? So say it. I owe you one.
I owe you one.
I owe you one. Yeah, I owe you one. It means,
I owe you one.
yeah, not owe you one. It's like a Korean name. It's not a like Uyuwan Takachi. No, I owe you one. It means for one favor, you can ask me anything, and I do that for you. I owe you one. So say it. I owe you one.
I owe you one.
When you want to thank someone, instead of saying thank you, you can say, you're a lifesaver.
You're a lifesaver.
Yeah, it means you save lives.
You say lives.
Okay, yeah. Okay. You're again دوباره بگیم نظر نمیدونم.
چی شد؟
نه چیزی نشد.
اوکی.
اوکی. اولش رو بعد شروع کردم خیلی کلیشه‌ای شد و اینا. Instead of saying I owe you one, okay, you said I owe you one. After that, you want to again thank that person. You can say, oh, you're a lifesaver. You're a lifesaver. Yeah. Yeah, you just saved my life. Yeah, so you're a lifesaver. Say it. Say it like an American. You're a lifesaver.
You're a lifesaver.
Yeah, good. That was good enough, I think. You're a lifesaver.
You're a lifesaver.
I like the thing. You want to say goodbye to your friend, you can say, I'll catch you later.
Catch you later.
Yeah, catch you later. You know this, right?
Catch you later.
Yeah, catch you later. It's like see you later, but catch you later is like better. So instead of saying goodbye, bye, 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 no. Catch you later. Great. Good. So we can say catch you later. But actually, I don't like goodbyes. I mean, I don't like to goodbyes. Say goodbye to my friends. So, not a goodbye person. Okay. And a very native idiom or expression that you can say, it's slang actually, and you can say this to your best friend, very close friend. You can say, hey, I'm off. I'm off.
I'm off.
Yeah, it's like on and off,
Yes.
but it doesn't mean I'm off, no. It means I'm off to like supermarket. I'm off to the bank. It means I'm going to the bank. So I'm off means I'm leaving. Hey, I'm off. So
I'm off to living.
no, it means I'm leaving. Don't say, just say I'm off.
I'm off.
Yeah, it's not I'm because people say I'm or I am. No, yeah, I'm off.
I'm off.
Yeah, I'm off. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah, that's it. Thank you. So that was all about today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you're learning English, please send this video to your friends so they can learn as well. And make sure to watch other videos because, come on, guys, it's free English class. And try to subscribe me. So, yeah, thank you. In the comments, say happy birthday, Amy, and and tell me in the comments that where are you from. And yeah, that's it. Have a great day. Bye.